Is this a lifelong dream?
Sure.
Bazooka potato gun. My
Do you
God.
want coconut or not?
Oh,
Those are for your mom.
Alex,
Sorry.
real quick, give us a commentary. So what's the little red button for?
That's the igniter, so...
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Let me take a look down the scope. Watch the card behind you.
I love it. Oh, thank you.
Oh, yeah. Look at that. And what do? You unscrew the top?
Bring that monster out here. Where's the potatoes?
All right. What exactly are we holding there?
A can of flammability.
Can you relaunch the same potatoes again?
I don't think so.
They're behind mine in the garden. Oh, you still want to
Yeah, he tried to kill a skunk with it, and then it pissed it off, so it sprayed.
It sprayed its own ether, huh?
Go with it. Here, hold.
Oh, that smells bad.
All right, a little little shot of flammable.
Here, hold that. Let's see. Okay, empty test fire.
Oh, it worked.
Holy shit!
Wow. We'll be watching that in slow-mo.
Man, I can feel it just whoosh.
Yeah, you get that mixture just right, and then we'll have more push.
I got...
No, I want to know how much is in there.
that's a point.
Well, I think it's just and I brushed it this morning, but it doesn't do any good. I think we're going to get some.
Okay, test fire 2. Hopefully no
back
winds
up.
are lost.
Okay, here they go. Look at yours. Hey, sweetie.
We're shoving a potato down the shaft
That's probably far
of
enough.
No, no.
PVC.
A little more.
Take 3.
Watch out, Carrie. Wait, don't shoot me.
All right, we got this. Okay.
It doesn't work. Well, the first one went well.
Yeah, well, you know.
We missed that.
Hey, you.
No, I did.
I think we should drill a hole.
What's that, a one-shot? Okay, there goes my parents. Okay.
No more. We got plenty in there.
Spraying it in there, you're not spraying it on the igniter, right?
No.
Okay.
Not that I know of.
We'll get her going. The Smiths know their stuff.
Hopefully. Here, let's...
Wonder if you blew your igniter.
How's your back, James?
All right.
I think we should try hairspray.
I think your igniter's getting fouled.
No, I don't think so. I think we, I think it's called air fuel mixture. I'm either not putting enough in or not, or too much. I don't think that was enough. We'll see.
Whoa!
Oh, gee!
We have action!
I guess that is enough.
Voila!
What are, you better aim a little better.
That
Oh, that
was cool.
That was cool. Oh, yeah.
Nice.
Oh, yeah.
All right, my turn.
Oh, yeah. Come on, we got her now. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Oh, baby.
What do you think of that one, Alex?
Pretty cool.
Okay, so a little ether, a little compressed air.
There you have it.
All right.
Gotta get that stuff atomized in there.
Yeah.
Whoa!
That one went.
I think you reached Cactus Ranch on that one.
Holy Holy smokes!
Enjoy those fries, Woody.
We need more air, son. Don't tell me not too much air.
More air, boy.
Air fuel mixture. That's the key.
Where's the fire?
Whoa! Oh!
Good job.
Oh yeah, that did flame. Did that hurt your ears?
No, that just, I think it got my hair.
Yeah, it's in your hair.
That one had it. You didn't see that flame? There was cute. There was a foot of flame came out of the end.
Well, out of the end, but it didn't get.
Alex, I always thought you'd look good with a mohawk.
Well, you need it. No.
Okay,
You
don't
need a
fire.
haircut.
I'm gonna go find these potatoes.
Ah, that's cool.